Imran, let me see you try to eat that date. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. I get it. I got it. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. There it is. You don't want it anymore because it was in your seat? I'll get you a new one. Wait, let mommy get you a new one, okay? Hold on. Imran, I'll only be a second. Here you go, boo-boo. Yep.
Is also expected to step down. The reaction so far has been positive. Italy's economy last week was in something of a free fall, in part because of political instability here. Now that the political situation is clearer, the markets are recovering. And culturally, Italians are also happy to be putting behind them all of Silvio Berlusconi's
You gonna stuff it all in your mouth?
corruption scandals.
You can handle that?
In Italian politics. That face is expected to be Mario Monti. Monti is a university president. He is a respected economist.
You gonna push it all in your mouth, Greedy?
He is early in his office in the morning and not up all night partying like the president. Richard Engel live for us in Thank you. MF Global, which collapsed after losing $600 million on a disastrous gamble on European
It's
debt,
too big.
has fired its entire workforce. More than
You gotta
1,000
take small
employees
bites,
on
Imran.
Friday.
Small
Some by
bites.
email, others by TV news,
Okay.
that they no longer have jobs. CNBC reports they won't
Don't
get
stuff it
any
in
subsidy.
there.
Oakland police are handing out eviction notices at an anti-Wall Street camp. And officials elsewhere are
Don't
urging
stuff it in
anti-similar
there.
camps after 2 men died in shootings.
Baby.
2 others were found dead inside their tents this week. Police in a number of cities are pulling them away from fighting crime. Baby Lisa Irwin turned 1 Friday.
Hi.
The family and friends gathered
Hi,
at the
Imran.
Kansas City, Missouri
Hey,
to celebrate her
mommy.
birthday.
I love you. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! You love? Say no, no, no. Do you love it? Say no, mommy. No, no, no.
Restoration work continues and it's expected to cost more than $20 million. And out west, there's powder. The Breckenridge